Now we are discussing about small business opportunities. In that, housekeeping business is also one of the best business. In major cities, people continuously search for housekeepers and cleaners to keep their home tidy while they are at work. Housekeeping poses a potential business opportunity for a savvy marketer. If you know how to find potential customers, you can hire cleaners to clean those customers' homes. You will pay the cleaners an hourly fee. However, you can earn a sizable income from the rate you charge your customers, and at a scale the dollars add up. So housekeeping business is also most important. In so many cities, wife and husband also working in offices, they are not having the time to clean up their house, and housekeeping is also becoming a problem to them. For them, housekeeping is most important. For housekeeping also, nowadays we are having so many private limited companies also available. In that, just like a job they will do for housekeeping and house cleaning and maintenance, all these things they will do very well. But before that, in your holiday or otherwise in your holidays, one consultant will come to your home and he will observe all the things. What sort of housekeeping has to be done? Land, ground, garden is there or not? Garden means what sort of work he should do, and if it is old house, painting is required, and if it is some pest control work is required or not. All the things they will observe, and if any damaged bathroom doors are there, replacement of doors, all these things. They will have a plan of that. Consultant will come and explain. These are the suggestions we require. These are the suggestions we are giving to repair it. If you do all things simultaneously, it will become costless also, because manpower we cannot provide separate way, because one person can do first this work and that work and that work. We can save money by manpower and save to you also. Otherwise, if you take separate way, means it is cost expensive. So expensive and cost related. So that please think over all these things. One consultant will come to your home and he will explain things. If you accept those things for the money and all the things and the budget, then they will start their work. You can keep one person reliable to you. Suppose your brother-in-law or your son or your grandson, if you keep one person in your home, he will safeguard the money and all the things, and other cleaning purposes and pest controlling purposes, painting purpose and lawn making purpose and gardening purpose. All these they will do. But one person on behalf of your home, one person should be there for safeguard the items and the important things. So then it will be done very well. Housekeeping business is also mostly useful. Certain times, housekeeping is continuously running 3-4 days, means they will stay in lodges also for 3-4 days. After completing all these things, they can come to the home very happily, and they can do functions and all these also very well. So generally, before doing functions and all these things, only housekeeping business contacts will be very high. So that is the system. So it is also very profitable and very comfortable service. Housekeeping is also. Wishing you all the best.